Stop. Listen to your music and tap with it. Tap, it goes dun, da, dun, dun. When your bottom hand comes up and you hit, make sure you push back up. So it's tap, listen to your music, across, tap,
One, two, three, four.
When you're here, take it down. Tap it down. Tap it down. And then so go. Tap this one down. Tap this one down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tap this one down, tap this one down, boom, boom, again. Tap this one down, tap this one down. Okay, add that up. Now over here. You're going to pretend you're pulling a rope in. If you pull the rope in front of you, it's going to look nasty. You're going to pull the rope behind you, but you're going to pull it here. Don't pull it into you, okay? So after you hit, you're going to step with which foot? You're going to step back on this foot, whichever foot this is. Right foot? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Step back on the right, pull. And that's going to go. Ami, will you pull? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and flip. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and flip. When your hand is out here, you're going to do TV double time, and it's a long count. Then this wall here, then you're going to change hands, do Tahitian walk to the other side. Then you're going to flip your knees, and you're going to all the way around the table. And that's it. Take it from the tap, and I'll answer your question.
1, 2, 3, 4.